Hello guys, quick update on Bitcoin from yesterday's video. So, what were we watching yesterday, right? We were trading, well, we swept last week's high, then broke back below, and I was cautious down here, right? I said I wouldn't rush into longs because we swept last week's high, everyone was bullish again, FOMC resulted in bullish, in upside, okay, on Bitcoin. Everyone was targeting, well, was talking about 25k again. Instead, we just swept last week's high and broke back below. I said as long as we stay below that, I'd be cautious, okay? I even took a scalp short around here. Maybe I still have it, yeah. This one. Took it, no, it wasn't this one. It was on this sweep here, on the 15 minutes, right? Where we swept these local highs into last week's high. Shorted there, get my stop around here, above this local OTE. And then we did nuke, closed some down here, but yeah, almost nothing, because because I was targeting lower. But yeah, after we saw this buyback, after sweeping these lows, I closed it at break even, and then we pushed through last week's high again, but as you can see, instantly broke back below it, retested it, and then sold off, okay? I also tweeted yesterday that if and only if the daily closes above last week's high, that I would be targeting a lot higher, okay? I think if we're about to see a rejection, well, a retrace, it should be from here, okay? So what's the line in the sand now? Well, obviously, last week's high, so the level I marked here. If we start breaking back above here and manage to close at least a 4-hour, but ideally a daily candle, because 4-hour can just close and smash back below. But if we start closing a daily above there, 4-hour would be a good start. Well, then I could see us accelerate again and see another some nice green candles, okay, towards that weekly range high level we've been talking about. And yeah, as I said, I don't think we stop there then. But yeah, if you're in longs, never a bad idea to take some profit at that level. But I think we could fill in this inefficiency after towards like 28k, okay? But that's if we manage to reclaim last week's high, right? If as long as we're below, I'd be cautious. We have quite some liquidity, quite some stops, quite some lows resting lower, okay, which are a nice draw on liquidity at the moment. Last week's high swept, last week's low unswept. So as long as we're below that level, I'll be targeting a little bit lower. I'm currently not in shorts since the weekend is coming up. I'm also going on a ski trip tomorrow until the next Wednesday, so won't be very active. But I mean, looking for at least a hedge if you're in spot is not a bad idea in my opinion. Now you could ask yourself, where are we looking for longs then again? Let me quickly take all of these levels. Yeah, as you can see, range low, range high, mid-range pivotal. We're in the upper half of the range, so the next logical target for price would be range high. Does that mean we go straight for range high? No. What I'll be looking for is for a retrace towards last week's low, sweep those lows into OTE, lining up, well, it's a little bit higher now, lining up with the weekly range mean and this former consolidation area, okay? So if we sweep the lows, I might look for just to market enter there, but ultimately what you want to see is a reclaim of some lows, ideally a strong weekly close, and then look to trade it back towards new highs towards the 25k area. Okay, so that's all I'm watching at the moment. Last week's high is key for more upside. As long as we're below, I'm targeting last week's low. Okay, then just quickly gonna explain this one. So yesterday, well, and in the live stream as well, we were talking about FXS a lot. We said initially we wanted to long the sweep of range low. We didn't get that, but instead broke market structure after sweeping these local lows. And I said I would be looking for longs on the retrace towards range mean, which was around 10.5 back here. We did so and got a good reaction, so I longed. Okay, we started pumping, and then I was up, let's see, 1.5 R, but I was targeting a breakout. So yeah, I had to go out yesterday for dinner, and I decided to hold and put my stop at break even. Since yeah, we were up quite a bit already for the week, and yeah, I've closed some positions a little too early this week, so I decided to hold and keep my initial target. And yeah, that's then always the times where you get stopped out at break even. So now we're back down here. Currently not really interested in longing again, although I still think that the high time frame is looking good for continuation to the upside. But obviously after a daily close like this, it would make much more sense to go for the lows from here, sweep the lows into this demand, just like Bitcoin, and then look for swing longs all the way back up. Okay, so flat on this as well. Took a stop out at break even, but we're still up for the week, so that's fine. Should have, in hindsight, taken some off at range high. But yeah, it is what it is. We learn from our mistakes. So let's see what we get, I guess. Hope everything's clear. Wishing you a good weekend. Enjoy your weekend. Thanks to PrimeXBT for sponsoring. I post my trades and much more updates on Discord. If you want to join the Discord, simply use the link in the description, PrimeXBT. Make an account, deposit some money. You also can get up to $7,000 in bonuses. So yeah, definitely worth checking that out. Also leave a like on the video and subscribe to my YouTube. Leave a comment with what you think. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Enjoy your weekend. Bye.